Hi. It's been a while. We missed you. Wait, are we making this video for her? I don't know. Say something. Something else than something.
Something else.
We suck at this. Oh, do you like Paris? I may crack. Not really crack, it's protein powder. With a T.
Cocaine. It's good protein.
Hey, these are made in
Zhejiang.
What's yours? Oh, you can't read that. Antio? She can't read that. She won't be able to.
It reverses it.
Is it? You can't hang out. I guess you could hang out like that. Aren't they cute? You still haven't made us a video and you suck. You need to tell us all about your life. Corinne thinks you're getting married.
Oh yeah, I don't even know why. Why?
Cause my cousin is getting married and Corinne like looked at the wrong thing. That's why kids underage don't belong on Facebook.
Yeah. We're gonna die, and
Martina and Seth are doing good.
yeah, we're back together. So yeah, we're back together.
Oh, this is entertaining. I might have a car. Maybe. In a couple weeks.
Synonyms.
Did you purposely mess that up?
Synonyms, yeah. I was thinking about it.
Jess, are you coming home? Bake. You can have your headphone bake. Not back. Bake. Dude, have you gone out and partied? You're 21 now. You're allowed to do that.
Oh yeah.
I don't know
I'm
how
partying,
old
Cal.
Patrick is, but yeah.
Look at that. Your light bulb is glaring it.
That looks awesome.
Oh,
We're fudging now.
you're fuzzy now. There.
Yeah. So you gotta tell me how your job is at DirecTV, I think.
She works at a car dealership, doesn't she?
Hmm.
Yeah, she does.
Mm-mm. Uh-huh.
That's what Facebook said.
Pretty sure DirecTV. Representing DirecTV.
Mm-mm.